Alright, so just did the S&B cold air intake, the new version with the dry filter. The truck's not warm yet. I'm going to hammer down on it here in a minute, and I'll do a couple videos. This is going to be primarily with the side plug thing out. I've got stock exhaust with 5-inch carbon tips. So yeah, once this thing gets up to oil temp, we'll hammer down on it and see how she sounds. So I'm also trying a new video editing software for the old iPhone, so we'll see how that goes. So I think it's going to sound real good. I might actually have to put the side plug back in because, man, it's throaty right now. Alright, 190's warm enough oil temp, right? Alright, so okay, so that last pull was uphill. It sounds good. It's loud. It's loud as fuck. I'm gonna come up here and flip around, and we'll do one more, and then I'll go home and see if I can edit this shit together. Shout out to Matt Fikak. I don't even know if that's how you say your last name, buddy. Not a very common last name. We'll just say Mo's Performance, man. I ordered the thing on Saturday and I had it, was it yesterday or day before? They got it out quick, but with the holiday, Monday was a holiday obviously, so they couldn't ship. Alright, so here's one last pull. We'll just do it 0 to 60. These little baby tires are probably going to spin, so. Scoots. I think this intake actually made a difference. Like I said, I left the side plug out because you can see we're coming into fall. I mean, it's 62 degrees out now. Here. So anyways, there's a Chevy Corsica in front of us. That's pretty cool. I don't know if y'all remember those of Corsica commercials. So anyways, I just dated myself for all you fucking millennials. Yeah, I'm gonna go home, see if I can edit all this together, make y'all a video, and hope everybody has a good, safe weekend. We'll catch up with you later. One last one, what do you say? She spun the tires. Them grandpa tires on here. I don't know if you guys can see. The road's wet, so the headlights look darker than they are. That's the old retrofit driving. Here's without the fogs. You can see how bright the headlights are. Somebody's piece of their Ford left here on the road. See, like I said, the roads are all shitty, so. Alright, that was the last one, I promise.